Hello, my name is Sam Chichester and I'm with Group 9. The goal of our project was to create a facial recognition pill dispensary. So in order to do that, I have wired up a real-time clock into my LCD screen display through the potentiometer so that to control the saturation of the screen. And so this screen at all times displays the time and date. And using the software, it'll let you know, and the facial recognition, it'll let you know if you have access and if you're ready for your pill, or it'll let you know how much longer you have to wait until you take it. The LEDs will indicate whether the Face ID recognizes you or not. So if it's someone who isn't in the database, it will just reject them and it won't even let them get into the pills. And then if the light is green, it'll lead into the servo here that is gonna be connected to a pill dispensary system, and it will just dispense one pill, or depending on the dosage, it can be programmed to go multiple times to dispense more pills.
So for our UI, we have a pretty simple form submission on a website. So for example, we can enter in a patient or family member name, get a picture of them for the model to train off of so they know what the patient looks like. Give them different pill times, so we'll say 8 in the morning and 4 in the afternoon, and then a slot number. So we can then save that patient record. That gets saved to our database. As you can see, this is what we just added. Now if we go and try to start running the facial recognition software, we can see that it gives you a confidence interval about how likely it is that a face is being recognized. And if you look at the LCD, it will display whether you have access or not. That's it.